Now, honorable senators, ladies and gentlemen, having dispensed with the pre-hearing meeting of senators, which was a closed-door session, it is now time to commence the proceedings of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County. By a letter dated 1st of March 2024, the Speaker of the Kisii County Assembly informed the Speaker of the Senate that at a sitting of the Kisii County Assembly held on Thursday, 29th of February 2024, the County Assembly of Kisii approved a motion for the removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County. The Speaker of the County Assembly of Kisii also forwarded the following documents to the Senate, being the record of proceedings of the County Assembly and the evidence adduced in support of the impeachment motion. 1. Notice of motion for the proposed removal from office of the Deputy Governor dated Monday, the 13th February 2024. 2. List of members in support of the motion. 3. Votes and proceedings of the Assembly sittings held on Tuesday, the 13th of February 2024, afternoon sitting, Wednesday, 21st February 2024, afternoon sitting, and Thursday, 29th February 2024, afternoon sitting. Order paper and supplementary order paper dated the Tuesday, 13th of February 2024, Wednesday, 21st of February 2024, and Thursday, 29th of February 2024. Motion dated Monday, 21st of February 2024. List of members in support of the motion. Hansard for the sitting of the Assembly held on Tuesday, 13th of February 2024 and Wednesday, 21st February 2024. Complaint from Dennis Mokaya Misati to Honorable Wycliffe Siocha Gesongori. Complaint from Dennis Mokaya Misati to Director EACC. Affidavit by Dennis Mokaya Misati. Advert by Guasico. Shortlisting by Guasco. Application for the post of Guasco Commercial Manager, Dennis Mokaya. M-Pesa statement by Dennis Mokaya. Affidavit by Robin Monda Orangi Matundura. M-Pesa statement by Lucy Wahito. Statement by Lucy Wahito. Advertisement of public participation and report. Statement by David Hagai Oyagi. Statement by Gladys Aminga. And statement by Enoch N. Maranga. Pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Government Act and Standing Order 81A of the Senate Standing Orders, at the sitting of the Senate held on Thursday, 7th of March 2024, the charges against the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, as contained in the motion of impeachment by the County Assembly of Kisii, were read to the assembled Senate. Now, honorable senators, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to remind you of the mandate of the Senate in relation to the proposed removal by impeachment of a county governor as provided for under Article 181 of the Constitution, as read together with Section 33 of the County Government Act 2012 and Standing Order 80 of the Senate Standing Orders. In particular, Article 181 of the Constitution provides as follows. A county governor may be removed from office on any of the following grounds: gross violation of the Constitution or any other law, where there are serious reasons for believing that the county governor has committed a crime under national or international law, abuse of office, or gross misconduct of physical or mental incapacity to perform the functions of office of county governor. Parliament shall enact legislation providing for the procedure of removal of a county governor on any of the grounds mentioned in Clause 1. Section 33 of the County Government Act 2012, Senate Standing Orders 80 and the third schedule to the Senate Standing Orders provide for the procedure to be followed in the hearing and determination of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of a governor. Specifically, Section 33(3) and Standing Order 81B of the Senate provide that the Senate may, either by resolution, appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter or investigate the matter in plenary. Further, Standing Order 89 provides that the procedure for removal of a governor shall with necessary modification apply in the case of a deputy governor. Honorable senators will recall that at a sitting of the Senate held on Thursday, the 7th of March 2024, the motion for the establishment of a special committee was withdrawn pursuant to Standing Order 70. This, therefore, paved the way for the default position, the hearing of the impeachment charges against the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, to be held by the Senate sitting and plenary. Honorable Senators, ladies and gentlemen, by way of a status update, pursuant to Rules 4A and 6 of the Rules of Procedure, when considering the proposed move of a governor or a deputy governor in plenary, the Senate invited the deputy governor to appear and be represented before the Senate during the investigation. The Senate further invited the deputy governor, if he so chooses, to appear before the Senate to file an answer to the charges with the Office of the Clerk of the Senate by 5 p.m. on Monday, 11th of March 2024, setting out 1, the deputy governor's response to the particulars of allegations; 2, the mode of appearance before the Senate, whether in person, by advocate, or in person and by advocate; and 3, the names and addresses of the persons to be called as witnesses, if any, and witness statements containing a summary of the evidence to be presented by such witnesses before the Senate; and lastly, any other evidence to be relied on. Pursuant to Rules 4B and 7 of the Rules of Procedure, when considering the proposed move of a governor or deputy governor and plenary, the Senate notified the County Assembly of the date of the commencement of the investigation and invited the County Assembly to designate members of the County Assembly who shall appear and be represented before the Senate during the investigation. The County Assembly was further invited, if it so chooses, to appear before the Senate to file with the Office of the Clerk of the Senate by 5 p.m. on Monday, 11th of March 2024, setting out documentation of the following: 1, designating the members of the County Assembly, being not more than 3 members, if any, who shall attend and represent the Assembly in the proceedings before the Senate; 2, indicating the mode of appearance before the Senate, whether in person, by advocate, or in person and by advocate; 3, indicating the names and addresses of the persons to be called as witnesses, if any, and witnesses' statements containing a summary of the evidence to be presented by such witnesses before the Senate; and lastly, specifying any other evidence to be relied on. Now, honorable Senators, ladies and gentlemen, on Monday, the 11th of March 2024, before I proceed, I will allow honorable Senators to walk in and take the seats.